When I was 12, I had my front 2 teeth busted by a bowling ball. And so I've always dealt with insecurities with my teeth and my whole life, because I've just felt like I've never had the smile I wanted. So decided at 18, 19 that I wanted to go to dental school, and from there I've embarked on a journey that has been the most fulfilling profession I could have ever imagined. From the very first implant I placed, I realized that I was starting that life-changing journey for patients, and as it's progressed from 1 implant to 2 implants to 3 implants to the all-on-X procedures that we do here in our office, the main reason I get up every day is because every day it gives me the opportunity to change a smile and change one life at a time. I chose Miles City because I'm homegrown. Born and raised here, my family's here. I knew I could raise my children here and they'd have a great education, and I would be able to be a person that could really help change the community and make it a better place. So here at Big Sky Smile Center, we spend a lot of time making sure that everybody feels like family. And I'm very blessed with a team of unbelievable talent who take care of the patients in the exact same way that I do. Every patient that we treat, we truly have only one goal, and that's to give the patient the smile that they deserve and the smile that they want. And I'm very proud of the fact that this life-changing all-on-X dentistry is something that I've grown into and become very comfortable with. And the more that we can do in-house, the more we can control the end result. And everything comes down to the end result. And I truly believe that when we embraced all-on-X, it was imperative that we were able to, on the fly, be able to change things. And for me, having our in-house lab has allowed us to get the quickest service, the most accurate services, and present them with something that's in their mouth that is very, very reliable and can last them a long time. And when you have the technology we have, we really want to try to get it to as many people as we can. I have a satellite practice in Sydney, Montana, and we plan to launch a mobile dental lab. So I will be able to partner with any dentist throughout the state of Montana, come to his or her office and do this life-changing dentistry in the comfort of their office, so the patient never has to leave. And hopefully along the way, help those doctors start going down the path of life-changing dentistry. The fact that I get to do this life-changing dentistry and waking up every morning and being able to come and do it with my team and do it for my patients is truly my reason right now of being a dentist.